We're doing a couple boxes of Sage High Series. 16 automographs a box. So good luck to you, msu29. Thank you again. Here we go. If anybody wants either team in Impeccable, they are, it's in the store. All right, so I know there's Trevor Lawrence autographs, so let's see if we can hit him. All right, good luck. All right, let's see. So this is an auto per pack. We got Colin Hill. Auto, let's see if there's any numbering. Oh, we got a next level Trevor Lawrence. Zach Wilson. His stuff's been picking up on eBay. And we got Justin Henderson. Looks like a red, maybe. Justin Henderson, rookie auto. And Justin Fields. Let's see. I'm trying to see if that was a parallel or not. Oh, they do pack odds in this. Okay, nice. I'll have to look. Waddle. Bruno LaBelle, rookie auto, tight end. Art Gallery, Sage Surratt. These are pretty nice. And rookie Lawrence. Let me look at these. Let's check out the pack odds. All right, we got autograph 1 in 1, base parallel 2 in 1, peak performance 1 in 15, peak performance base cards. Okay, peak performance. That's the one you want. 1 in 15. All right, and we got Colin Hill and Tevin Jenkins, offensive line. Automograph. Ronnie Perkins and Kerry Vincent Jr. Corner. Mac Jones. Oh, that must be the... Is this the 1 per box? Kyle Trask. These are the 1 per box, looks like. And autograph is Bronte Harris. Corner. It's actually a nice... Trevor Lawrence. It's actually a nice looking autograph. All right, Mac Jones. And, ooh, nice. This is the Giants guy, right? Kadarius Toney. Peak performance autograph. Doesn't look numbered on that one. Shiny, though. We like shiny. What's up, Spencer? What's going on, man? Let me sleeve up some stuff real quick. I'm starting to feel the football buzz starting to pick up. I didn't see pack odds on these art gallery. Do you know, Mike, on these ones? These art gallery inserts? All right. About 1 per box? All right, cool. Those are cool. I like those. Zach Wilson. And auto is Aaron Robinson, corner. What's up, Robert? So new stuff out this week. We got the Mandalorian Season 2 hobby boxes. We got Select Baseball. We got Sage High Series, which we're opening right now. And autograph is Jared Dokes. 16 autos a box on this stuff. We got Impeccable PYT in the store. We do need to fill courtside randoms for tonight, guys. 400 bonus points per spot. Picking up soccer. Nice. Yeah, we've been trying to... is there another peak performance? And it is Jake Funk. Next level autograph. On card. Yeah, we've been trying to pick up more singles and stuff. And hockey, too. Try to pick up our hockey. Trask. And another peak performance auto. It is KJ Costello. Zach Wilson, and we got Dylan Ruduns. Set up for Express. What are you talking about? Kyle Pitts. First Kyle Pitts. Mac Jones. Next level. And Quentin Morris. I don't know what you're talking about. Is that what you paid for Express in the store? And autograph is Troy Warner. Corner. All right, we got 2 packs left in this one. Brandon Stevens and Jack Anderson, offensive line. Najee Harris. PC Najee Harris for msu29. And autograph is Fairmouth. Is that how you say that guy's name? Tight end. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can just do 25 credit for you, Ruben. That's funny. All right, box number 2. Free mouth. Free mouth. Did I say that? Freer mouth. Freer mouth. Free mouth. All right, Kadarius Toney. Second one of those, wide receiver. Yeah, I can add you. And autograph is Antonio Nunn, wide receiver. Justin Fields. That may still work. Some of the links expire, so we'll see. And autograph is Corey Duffine. Najee Harris, Trevor Lawrence. Oh, that's a brand new one? All right, nice. What up, Fung? Oh, we got a peak performance. It is Jake Funk. I like that name. Jake Funk. Shiny. And autograph is out of 100. KJ Costello. Hand numbered on that one. Oh man, I gotta crank up the AC. It's hot up in here. See what happens when fun comes in the room. Let's see, Tommy Togaya. That is defensive tackle. What up, Dean? And we got Hemby. Actually, some surprisingly decent signatures out of this stuff. These kids seem to be signing better this year. All right, and shiny. Did we get him? Did we get him? It is Colin Hill. Colin Hill autograph. Is that Rams? Trevor Lawrence, next level. If anyone wants to try personals about anything, let me know while we try to fill up Impeccable and any other breaks. We do need to fill up Courtside Randoms, guys. Let's get that going. Javonte Williams and Jamar Watson, linebacker. And we got Kobe Jones, defensive end. Almost PC card. And we got Ernest Jones and Jarrell White. Linebacker. Mac Jones. You got a big PSA submission back? We just got our Express back and it was not... I got brutalized on one card. And peak performance is... Boom! For the PC. Najee Harris. There you go, Mike. And autograph is Quentin Morris. Tight end. Zach Wilson. Is Najee going to start right off the bat? Because Connor's gone, right? And we got Tony Poljon, tight end autograph. Another Trevor Lawrence. It looks like you get a decent amount of Lawrence out of these boxes. Bronte Harris. Oh, I think this is the Ram. Trevor Lawrence. We got oh, hold on, wait. We got is it on card? We got Tony, next level, and it is Blake Prohl. Zach Wilson. On card rookie auto. All right, and we got a red. It is Tony Poljon, tight end autograph. Trevor Lawrence. Is that considered like gold parallel on the Trevor? All right, last pack mojo. Good luck, Mike. Get you a big quarterback or a Najee auto. And it is Jake Funk, running back. All right, that is your 2 boxes. Thank you again, Mike. Appreciate it as always. Peace.